The sliding interior of Hyundai's new Ioniq 5. Man, Hyundai, let me tell you.
Yeah.
Formidable.
They're looking pretty neat.
It's somehow, I don't know how, or maybe you just run a company.
They did something.
I don't know what happened. Did they hire somebody, or what is BTS response? What's going on?
Look at that.
Because I'm following the news here, and I'm thinking to myself, okay, people talk about Tesla. I've been talking about Porsche because of the Taycan. You know, people talking about GM's gonna try to go all electric. They had the Hummer and we got all these truck companies coming out. But then I'm reading more about what Hyundai's up to, and I'm like, oh damn, they're a threat. They're a legit threat because they're talking about things that are just very compelling features.
And they have BTS.
And they got BTS.
You know?
So they showed off this little teaser of their sliding interior, and there's a GIF of it on the Verge article here, to make it possible for you to get out of your car as the driver in either direction. So if you're in a tight parking space, you can get out the passenger side easily. You see the GIF? Look, the whole thing, the slides way back, so you could just travel across the front of your car to the passenger door. But also, this is giving more leg room, and a footrest, and just tremendous cabin flexibility here. Now, it's just a teaser. Chill out. You're high strung here, Will. Just a teaser,
this
but
is exciting.
It's a cool.
Very cool.
I like this kind of stuff. They're calling it the Universal Island. It moves out of the way so the driver or passengers can easily enter and exit either side of the car when parked in a narrow spot. And like a footrest, you only see, where were you seeing a footrest? In a top tier S-Class Maybach. That's where you get a footrest. Or you get it in your Ioniq Electric. That's pretty cool. Now, some other stuff that stands out to me, they say the interior over here is going to be eco-conscious on the materials, which this type of clientele, they don't mind that stuff. Also, it's going to have a feature that turns the car into a rolling generator with 3.5 kilowatts of vehicle-to-load V2L power. You know I know kilowatts. I don't mind a couple kilowatts. This is a rolling generator. In fact, to do something similar on your Tesla, you had to fit it with an inverter of sorts, which may void the warranty. But out the gate, this thing is a generator. So you're doing your camping, you're powering your other devices. They say this thing is enough juice to power a full-sized oven, a treadmill, or 5 giant speakers.
Wow.
That's a party, Will. Oh, and the best part, which I talked about previously, but is the killer feature, 5 minutes of charge, 100 kilometers of travel. 5 minutes of charge. This don't want to get Willie Doo going over here. Look at him.
Yeah.
He started cracking his knuckles.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for it.
5 minute charge, 100 kms, and over 500 kilometers on a single charge total. World premiere February 22nd at 11 p.m. California time. We will be watching. We'll be watching.